Hi, Egypt. You're mad at me for taking you to the vet to get spayed? Huh? Got you some wet food. Can I touch you? Oh, you don't like that? You're not happy about going to the vet today? You're not happy about getting spayed? Oh, I'm trying to give you a good snack. But no. You should eat. They said you're hungry. Can I touch you? Okay, or not? No? Hey. Okay. Or not. You should eat your dinner. You like wet food. I usually give you dry. Wet food's a treat. Egypt. Egypt. No. You should eat. No. You're not touching your food because you're mad at me? You don't want the food because I gave it to you? Because I arranged for you to be taken to the vet? You know? What? You can't go too far out the crate. You know what? Ooh! Ooh! Get your behind in there! You done lost your mind! I'll try to give you something to eat. Well, we wouldn't have to get you spayed. You're not been trying to call lovers over to the window all the time. Well, you had a chance to eat your meal. Now you gotta wait till you get home. Well, I still love you. I just don't want you to get knocked up. Or to keep disturbing my sleep by calling mates at 2 and 3 o'clock in the morning. I did this for you. Egypt. Oh, guess you just need your space. Time heals all wounds. You'll thank me for this someday. I hope.